Bimetals, and in other words thermal relays, are used to protect various equipments and especially electric motors against overload. High current caused by not starting the motor and disconnection of one phase. These devices usually have 2 or more contacts, which changes its status and closes or opens when it is operated. Usually, its closed contact is placed in the feeding path of the contactor coil. So that when it is opened, it is cut off due to the operation of the contactor relay. Its open contact is also usually used to know the operation of the relay, which may be connected to the power source and the signal lamp. The current in which the relay operates can usually be set within a certain range on the relay. A button has been used on most of the bimetals. By pressing it after the operation of the relay is reset and connected again. In some of them, this can be done automatically. In this way, after a certain period of relay operation, the relay is automatically reset and reconnected. Bimetals are usually placed in the circuit together with the contactor and therefore have 3 blades which are installed under the contactor with their help. Bimetal selection and its adjustment should be based on the rated current of the device. An example of useful tables in this regard is given below, which can be referred to. In this table, which is prepared for 3-phase electric motors, the required bimetal range is accessible based on the power and rated voltage of the motor. Usually, to protect against overload, the amount of bimetal regulation current is set equal to the nominal current of the device or a little more than it, so that the relay operates at currents higher than the nominal current and the necessary protection is provided. The disconnection of this relay is not instantaneous and the time required for disconnection depends on the amount of current passing through it. Manufacturers usually consider an inverse curve for thermal relays, which can be used to determine how long the relay cuts off a specific current. A 3-phase bimetal can also be used in a single-phase circuit. In this case, for the proper functioning of the bimetal on the regulation current, the load current must pass through all the bimetal terminals. For this reason, the phase wire must return after passing through the bimetal and exit from its other terminal. In the drawings related to the control circuit and according to the IEC standard, usually the opposite signs are used to show the bimetal itself and its open and closed contacts.